Ryan. This is Dyson Building Center, and we're checking out the solar roof. That's Tom, our taxi driver. And they're working today, so.
Wow.
Is that as high as we'll go, Tom? These are all the solar panels that are going to absorb all the sun during the day and be able to power us up. The size of the equipment here, we're creating like 4 or 5 times more energy than necessary. So we're able to give that back to Smecco and provide enough for the building, the lumber yard, and all the electrical work is downstairs in the basement now. And that's pretty cool sight to see. You know, we're talking like 300, 400 panels up here. Each individual panel looks like it's about 3 feet by 7 feet, something like that. Not quite a 4 by 8 sheet. And there's over 300 of them up here. And then on the back side, there's windscreens. You can't see them from this angle, but just a sheet of metal and they're just sitting there. Like none of this is attached. It's all just its own weight holding it down. It's never going to go anywhere because